Hello guys, and welcome to a new review video. I'm really excited as I just received this new product. So let's start the review video.
I have a second solution. I have something that you can do at home. It's called Pure Sleep. What you do is you actually put it in your mouth, like so, and what the appliance does is advance your mandible, sort of what we call in medicine a jaw thrust, just to open up the airway so that you don't have those sleep apnea symptoms.
So importantly, there are solutions. Dr. Relly, thanks for sharing.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this review helped in a way or another. Make sure to click on the link in the description and receive my special discounted promo price.